Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is 80years Organic Beauty. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make your hibiscus anti-aging body milk. So watch this video to the end and don't go anywhere. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be updated when I upload a new video. This lotion is very good for anti-aging. It can be used by either dark skin or light skin. It does not make you go darker than the way you are, and it does not lighten you up. It is not a lightening lotion, it is just a maintenance lotion. It glows your skin, it fights anti-aging. Do you know that hibiscus flower is the most powerful flower that is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants? You can check this out yourself. So this hibiscus anti-aging body milk will keep your skin looking young. It will glow your skin. It will fade off every rashes, every skin impediment on you. It will fade everything off because it's packed with vitamin C. Very good for your skin. So without wasting much of your time, let me go into this lotion making. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to view. This lotion is also available for sale. If you want to purchase any of this lotion, you can equally add me up on the number you're seeing on my screen right now. And we have so many good lotions for you, handmade lotion for you, organic lotion. Please bear in mind that I don't sell pro-mix product. All my product, I make it from scratch. All my products are being made from scratch, 100% handmade by me. And if you also want me to customize any lotion for you, you want me to customize lotion, soap, serum, toner, body oil that you want to sell, you want to resell, please kindly contact me on the number above. If you want me to produce in larger quantity for you, you want to do private labeling, please call on the number above to get in touch with me. So thank you very much. Please, I would like you to try out this lotion. Okay, and one other thing I'll be saying, because I try balancing the pH level of this product, you might notice change in color along the line in this video. Please note in mind that whenever you're adjusting the pH level of any product that has colors in it, it gets to a point that the level might look a bit different than the former color it has before it started balancing the pH level. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this video to the end, because at the end I'm gonna be showing you some tips like how to balance the pH level of your product. So watch this video to the end. All right, okay guys, let's go. So guys, for the first thing we will be needing, I'll be making my herbal water. I'm using my hibiscus to make my herbal water. Hibiscus is packed with a whole lot of vitamin C, antioxidants, and just try and google more about hibiscus flower. It's one of the most powerful herbs or flower that has anti-aging properties in it. So I'll be adding this into my bowl. So here is my water. So the next thing, I'll go and boil this. I'll let it boil so that the water will extract all the nutrients, the beauty content in the hibiscus flower. So here is my cetyl alcohol. So yes. So here is my oils. So here is 1 cup of my oils. This is an anti-aging body moisturizer, so I need to add in oil. enough good oils into this. So here is my shea butter. So guys, next I will have to melt all this. So guys, here is my melted oil. So here is my melted Ewax. Here is my hibiscus water, hibiscus flower with my distilled water. Here's our lotion. It's still very hot. As it gets cold, it starts to solidify, starts forming. So next I'll be adding in my collagen powder. So here I have about 2 spoons of collagen powder. So this is 1 full teaspoon of my rice powder. So I'll still blend this. So this cream I'm making here is 100% organic. It's an anti-aging body lotion. This is actually a customized product I'm making for a client, and the rest will be available for sale in case you want to pick them up. I'm just showing you the process. It is meant for anti-aging. It's packed with vitamin C, a whole lot of vitamin C that is very good for anti-aging. It will glow your skin and it will brighten your skin. This lotion will not make you go dark. It's meant for all skin color, but I'm not telling you it's a skin lightening lotion. No, it's not a skin lightening lotion, but it will not make you go dark because it is meant for all skin color. For you who wants to get an anti-aging body lotion, you can go for this. You can call me actually for this. I'll be adding 15 ml of my vitamin E. Vitamin E. You can see our lotion is beginning to solidify. So guys, for this I'm using my fresh milk fragrance. Like seriously, everywhere is already smelling as if there's fresh milk everywhere. Yeah, I'll be adding my fresh milk fragrance. So guys, I'll be adding in my aloe vera. You can make use of your raw aloe vera. So I'm using 1 spoon of my aloe vera. So I added 1 teaspoon of my aloe vera juice. or aloe vera gel. Just make sure you get the pure one. At least this is still 99% pure. You can use the fresh one. So I've added in my aloe vera. So the last thing remaining for me to add is my preservative, and I'm done with my mind you, this water here is not too hot, so the whole powder, aloe vera juice I added, and everything I just added now is very safe, because this water here is not too hot, so it's not gonna kill, or the heat is not gonna kill the ingredients I just added here. That's why I just had to bring out some water so that I'll be able to use it to mix my ingredient before I'll finally add it into my lotion. And like, seriously guys, this smells like fresh milk. It smells as if I poured fresh milk there. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. I'm very sure my client will be very happy. Yes, I'm checking the temperature. So guys, you can see our lotion is forming. Yeah, the more it gets cold, it starts, as it gets cold, it starts to solidify. The lotion start forming. Yeah, it starts to form. So I just want to help to stir this so that it will get cold on time. So guys, you see I didn't add any artificial color to this. The color here is natural, and this cream is looking beautiful. The color here is very natural. So this is the best time for me to add it. So this anti-aging body lotion is 1 liter. In case you want us to customize for you, you can just call up the number showing on the screen right now. We will customize a lotion for you. Actually, a client needed out of this lotion, so I'm actually making this for my client, but I'm just making plenty so that I'll be able to sell from it. So I added in my preservative 2.5 ml. So guys, lastly I'll be checking the pH level of my lotion before I package it. So it's on 4 right now, but I want to achieve 4.5, at least 4.5. Wow, I've never had it hot like this, like seriously. You know, this lotion, I don't want it to be too acidic. .439 balanced pH level. So So guys, I'm gonna bottle this now, and it's available for pickup. Yeah, I'm done. My lotion is a perfect lotion. Perfect. pH level well balanced, so you're good to go. You don't have to be scared. Final results. This is our final result. The pH level is well balanced, so this cream will not give you any irritation. It will not give you any form of skin irritation. You will not react to it because it is wonderfully made, and it's nice. You really like this, and it's very moisturizing. Yes, it's very moisturizing, packed with a whole lot of collagen. It will firm your skin, you know. It will prevent stretch mark. Yes, it will prevent stretch mark. It will give that your skin the firmness it needs. So even if you're the type that is into skin lightening, you can also use this maybe twice in a week, just for you to glow and, you know, to repair your skin, to free your skin from the usage of, you know, too much skin lightening products. Because at least once in a while, probably twice in a week, at least you should just step down. You should just leave applying lightening product on your skin and just feed your skin with real food that your skin needs, so that even if you're doing skin lightening, your skin will be rich. So this lotion is an anti-aging body lotion. It's packed with a whole lot of vitamin C that is being gotten from the hibiscus flower. It's very good for skin glowing. It contains shea butter that glows your skin. It doesn't darken you. This lotion will not darken you. When I say it will not darken you, I really know what I'm saying. So any skin color complexion can make use of this. So guys, in case you need any of this, one of this is going out to one of my clients, and in case you need any of this, these are still available for pickup. Like I said, it doesn't lighten your skin. No, this is not a bleaching or lightening body lotion, but it will maintain whatever skin tone you have. It will not darken you more than the way you are. It is an anti-aging lotion packed with a whole lot of collagen and vitamin C for repairing of your skin. If you're the type that is battling with stretch mark, I'm not saying that it will cure the stretch mark, but at least it will prevent more from coming out. So if you're the type that also uses lightening products and you really want your skin to glow, you want to nourish your skin more, like feed your skin with good products apart from the skin lightening product you're using, you can use this twice in a week. Yes, twice in a week. Probably you applied your lightening lotion Monday to Friday, you can use this Friday to Sunday, so that your skin will be glowing. So guys, thank you very much for watching my YouTube videos. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So guys, thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.